Hello and welcome to today's video. It is Friday, November 10th. We are at Epcot. It's the last weekend of Food and Wine. It is the last day of our regular park days because we only have the Pixie Dust Pass. So we can only go during the weekdays, but tomorrow we're going to Jollywood Nights. So anyway, it's 2:30. We just got to Epcot. We're gonna be closing the park. It closes at 9, staying for Epcot forever. And we did get Genie Plus already. So I've been stacking. I have 3 already. I have Remy's, Test Track, and forgot what else I have. I have to think. But anyway, so I'll go back and look at it. Yeah, I think I have Soarin'. So anyway, gonna go through security now. I've only gone off one day. So we'll see if I go off today. Otherwise, we're headed into the park, probably headed straight to Soarin'. Yes, so we have those 3. The first one's gonna be at Soarin' over California. Then I have Test Track for later tonight. And then also Remy's was the first one I got. Remy and Frozen Ever After were like sold out within the first round of selection. So headed now to Soarin' over California.
So that is the line for Spaceship Earth, so then you can tell that it's obviously a busy day. Once again, very happy I got Genie Plus. And Ryder is now a pin trader, so we got a pin trade. So let's see the one you got. Let's see it, Ryder. That's the one you got.
The one you got. And this is the one he's giving up.
So Moana's here doing meet and greets over by Journey of Water.
So he wants to go through Journey of Water now because it's we saw it at night and we want to see it during the day. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool.
So much color.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, you gotta reach out. You gotta reach out, Ryder. You gotta reach out here.
There you go. Touch it, Ryder. Touch it.
So today they have a photo pass photographer, so we're gonna take a picture here.
Let's go in the line here.
So I would just say bring Crocs for your kids. I meant to and I completely forgot. So yeah, we should have brought Crocs.
So 3:15, first ride is at Soarin'.
Next up, Journey into Imagination. 30-minute wait. I'm telling you, this park is packed today.
Are you comfortable?
Comfy?
Yeah.
Laying on daddy? Gonna take a nap?
Mommy's ready for a nap.
Okay, come on everybody, here we go!
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour!
Ryder's favorite part, Mingeworks.
And now we're in line to see Figment.
And the best thing about this wait for Figment is that Ryder can run around and play while one of us waits in line, me. But it makes the waiting in line a lot easier. So I'm gonna time it. It's
like 3 rounds.
not too long. It's 4:10, so we'll see what time I actually take the photo.
Ryder, who are we gonna go meet?
Pigment.
Are you excited?
Wait.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, give him a hug. Give Figment a hug. Hi, Figment. How are you? Are you excited? Okay, we're gonna do one of him first.
Big smiles, guys.
Bye, Figment. All right, give him a high five. All right. Bye, Figment.
So Mickey and Minnie in their Disney 100 outfits are only there till 4:45. It's 4:25 now. So it took 15 minutes for Figment, but the line was really long for Mickey and Minnie, and we still have to go to Remy. So we're gonna skip it this time. We have a lot of pictures. We don't have them in their Disney 100 outfits, but we'll pass. We'll do it another day.
And yeah, you can tell it's the last weekend. It's a holiday weekend. It is packed. It's the line for Canada.
Left.
Okay, so we are headed into France to go ride Remy's. I'm hungry, I want to drink, but the lines are so long, I just don't. One, I don't have the patience for them, and then two, Ryder wants to ride some rides, so we're just, well, the lines will die down eventually, I hope. So Ray really wants his ice cream sandwich. So I told him, I said, if you want the ice cream sandwich, you better get in line now and skip Remy. So he thought about it and he's like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So Ryder and I are gonna ride Remy. We have the fast pass or the lightning lane, and we'll meet Ray. He'll probably still be in line by the time we're done.
And this was the lightning lane I got at 7 a.m. and it's a 120-minute wait, and I got it for 4:40. That's the time it was at 7 a.m. Oh my God.
So even with the line for lightning lane being out to the scan point, it was 12 minutes from us scanning in to when we got on the ride. So not too bad for that. I mean, considering how long and how crazy it is here today. There's my little pin trader. Okay, you gotta pick one to go. Here, so we're trading Chewbacca for Oswald. Let me see it.
You got an Oswald?
It's an angry Oswald.
No way, that's the best.
Yep, there's Oswald. There he is. Okay, you want to?
Oh yeah. I got caramel apple with chocolate and hot fudge, and the sandwich. It's amazing.
So while Ray is eating his sandwich with Ryder, Ryder's at the Kid Cot station, and then I just came here to get a glass of champagne because this is like the shortest line, and might as well kill some time while they're eating. But it is crazy here today.
Now, if you're willing to spend a lot of money to drink, there's no wait. But otherwise, there's a wait. And here's the menu. So it starts at, for champagne, starts at 15, goes up to 48. And there is a sparkling rosé wine.
I think we're gonna miss a single.
And I think I'm gonna get the Cure Imperial. Yeah, the park today is out of control. Out of control.
Okay, so my Cure Imperial was amazing.
And now I'm getting my favorite drink, which is like the limoncello thing. It's not part of Food and Wine, but it's fantastic. And the Food and Wine booths are so crazy that it's just not worth it. It's such a pretty night here at Epcot too. And my favorite thing is the limoncello spritzer.
No joke, that is longer than...
Thank you so much. So the pizza place is open, and Ray and Ryder are in line. You getting pizza?
Yeah.
All right.
What kind?
Pepperoni.
You wanna cut it for me?
That looks delicious, Ryder. We finally got real Italy pizza.
You cut it?
So the lines are so long. We've only fed Ryder. I'm just drinking, so I'm pretty much drunk. It's
I'm so sorry.
it's 6:08. We still have 2 hours and 52 minutes. I can still do math. But yeah, I'm hoping to eat, but the lines are just like crazy. So I was able to snag a Frozen Ever After Lightning Lane, 80 minutes. There's nobody in the other line, everybody's in Lightning Lane. It was down for a long time.
I love you.
So this is the line for Frozen Ever After. So the line for Grand Fiesta Tour started back here. This is the line for La Cava Tequila, and it went around and outside. Crazy. I like tequila, but not that much. Life is pretty bueno here in the land of the dead. Why not give it a whirl? So we are gonna get some wings.
Thank you.
Here are the chicken wings. This is the garlic parmesan, and this is the traditional
So we're headed now for our lightning lane for test track. And yeah, it is 7:20. And let me tell you, it is just so packed. Not like Monday was enjoyable. Today has just been, it's fun, but so the lightning lane is around the corner, all the way around the spaceship by where the photo stop is.
Ray and Ryder are going to take the picture. I don't feel like it. They're going to take the picture.
Compare this to Monday when we came and it was completely empty. There he goes, there he goes. You're saying I ran
by flock of seagulls.
I'm saying September. Ryder, what are you saying?
Monday or no, I'm gonna get your picture.
What have we done? I think we're trying back.
Jax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us. See, it was meaningless. Well, then what?
It was Tonga.
Let's not play with the floor water, man.
So I went to watch the fireworks and Ryder wanted to go back into Journey of Water. Fireworks are over. He's still in the Journey of Water and Ray texted me that he's soaked, he's probably getting pneumonia. And he wanted to go back to the Journey of Water rather than ride Test Track again. So that just tells you how much he likes the Journey of Water, but he's still over there. I can't get in, so I'm just gonna wait for them. Oh my God, Ryder! Oh my God, let me see you, let me see you, let me see you. Get back, get back.
Get back from
Let me see you. Oh my God. So he closed the place down. They're okay. Okay, so we're back at the resort. It's a little after 10 right now. We got back to the resort around 9:35, so pretty good time. And we were parked far. Like, we knew that the park was going to be really busy when we were parked. We were parked at Rocket 603. I mean, we were far. I think it's probably the farthest we've ever, and it was just packed. I mean, it makes sense. I think most schools had off today. I had to work. I took off, but I was on vacation. But I mean, my company was open, but I know a lot of people had off and it's a long weekend. So it was probably one of the busiest days I've ever seen. There were so many booths that I wanted to go to, and I kept like, but like the lines were just ridiculous. Like, we just couldn't. I ended up not getting the drinks that I got were not even from booths. They were regular places within Epcot. The one place at France, and then the one station at Italy, the limoncello spritzer, which I love. So, yeah, just everything was crazy. But thank God we did Genie Plus, because that was really helpful. You know, we got to do Test Track, Soarin', Journey into Imagination. We got to do everything we wanted, but we didn't do anything twice. The lines were just crazy. There was no way we were going to do anything twice. But you know, to say how much Ryder loves Journey of Water, it was like, okay, Mom's gonna go. He didn't want to watch the fireworks, so I said, okay, I'm gonna go watch the fireworks. You can go to Test Track and get in line right before, you know, before they close, or you can go to Journey of Water. And he wanted to go to Journey of Water, and he closed it down, and he was soaked. I mean, soaked head to toe. I had shirt in the stroller, so I changed his shirt. But you know, fortunately, Old Key West is pretty close to Epcot. But yeah, he was soaked, but he loved it. He loved it. So I had packed a swimsuit, and I had packed Crocs, and I just completely forgot about it today to put it in the stroller, or pack it today. So we didn't bring it. So you know, I would say if you have kids that like a splash pad or water, bring it. At least bring Crocs, so that you can like wear the shoes, like the Crocs, because they're supposed to wear their shoes in there. They're not supposed to take, I did see them, like a couple people had taken their shoes and socks off, and the staff was telling them that they needed to put the shoes and socks back on, or at least the shoes back on the kids. So yeah, so but it was great. It was great. Epcot Forever, they shortened it. Like, it was not, I liked the show, but it was not the same show that was here before Harmonious. Totally not the same show. I enjoyed it. It was, you know, it was good, but it wasn't, I really enjoyed the original Epcot Forever. This one was meh. It was 11 minutes long. It was short. I think the other one was like maybe 15, 16 minutes. So they shortened it a lot. So it was still enjoyable. I'm glad I watched it, but it's not worth, you know, like a dining package or anything. I don't even know if they're offering that, but hopefully Luminous is going to be starting soon. But other than that, it was a great day. We got to do everything we wanted, and you know, we had a good time. So this was our last regular park day. Tomorrow we're going to head to Disney Springs to hopefully see Santa, and do a little bit at Disney Springs, come back, rest, and then go to Jollywood Nights. So very excited about that. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.